Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in beautiful Atlantic City on a wonderful summer day. We're going to check out the iconic Atlantic City Boardwalk and head over to Bally's Hotel and Casino. I just left the Wild Wild West Casino, and there's a lot of changes going on there. However, more changes going on at Bally's since they have a new owner. Before we go inside and see if there's any changes so far to Bally's, let's check out Harry's Oyster Bar here while we're outside on the boardwalk. Harry's Oyster Bar is both inside and outside. It spills out to the outside in the summertime, and during the winter months it's indoors only. But let's check out the outside, shall we? Harry's Oyster Bar is pretty much one of the best raw bars here in Atlantic City, and if you're lucky enough to catch it in the summer months, you get to sit outside here, and it's kind of like a nice relaxing atmosphere out here. Don't get me wrong, inside is good any time of the year, including when it's really hot out in the summer, so you have to check out both indoors and outdoors. But on a beautiful day like today, I'd rather take the outside. Now, unfortunately, Harry's is not serving food outside. You need to order inside and get it to go, and you can bring it outside here. They are serving drinks outside, but food you have to get inside right now and bring outside. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Bally's also has a pretty popular beach bar. Let's check it out right now while we're here. Now, we're not actually going to go into the beach bar. I have a beach bar, Atlantic City Boardwalk beach bar video coming out soon where I visit all the beach bars here along the beach in Atlantic City. I just wanted to show you guys what the Bally's beach bar looked like from the boardwalk. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my latest Las Vegas video from the Circa downtown Las Vegas. Congratulations, Wise Malik. And here's a shot of the Bally's complex from the beach. Bally's is also home to Johnny Rockets, one of my favorite places to go for convenient, inexpensive, satisfying food. It's one of the only Johnny Rockets I know in this area, so if you're a Johnny Rockets fan, gotta come to Bally's. Alrighty, with some new owners a couple months ago, time to see if they made any changes inside. Let's step inside. Not sure what to expect on this visit. I know that as soon as you walk in on the right, the comedy club that used to be there is now a sports book, so we'll check that out. And I know a lot of changes have been taking place upstairs with the restaurants. There's probably going to be a lot of boards up and construction and stuff like that going on here, so that's to be expected with some new owners. I have to say the sports book looks really nice, the new sports book here at the Bally's, and unfortunately I was busted with my video camera as soon as I walked into Bally's. But that being said, I pretty much got a good glimpse of the place and recorded most of it as I walked through. But if it seems a little choppy, it's because I was just a little sensitive to security while I was walking around here. And again, this is new owners, so the security is probably a little tighter than other casinos. The new owners of Bally's, it used to be Caesars, but now again, there's new owners. They are promising a lot of changes here. The first thing I was hoping to go would be this copper ceiling, but that's still here, and this horrible rug, and that's still here too. But I do see some changes. Like I said, as soon as we walked in, that new sports book area that used to be a comedy club is all brand new. Right off the lobby here is a brand new high limit slot area. Someone told me that that's been there all the time. I don't remember it being there. I'll have to check out some old videos of mine, but I think that's pretty new, and at least it looks really new. And we'll see if there's any other new things going on around here. But there's also talk about changing this lobby bar here, so that would be a welcome change as well. And according to all the signage around this place, that high limit slots area is brand new. Hold on tight. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. This is the new high-limit slot area I was speaking about. Here's the Players Club as we head towards Harry's Oscar's house, the inside of Harry's Oscar's house. And this all looks new. Now, I know you're all saying, well, no, that's always been there. But when I say it looks new, I mean it's got new paint, new carpet. It seems like all the IT stuff, like the machines and stuff, are all brand new in this building. And as we walk around the casino, what little we can do, and a little later in this video, you'll see that they're installing a lot of new machines. And as we head down that hallway, it leads us to the Wild Wild West Casino, which was not part of the Caesars sale. Caesars is hanging on to this property, the Wild Wild West Casino. And although all these buildings are connected, Bally's is connected to the Wild Wild West Casino, which in turn is connected to Caesars. I have a feeling even though the sale has gone through, these buildings will remain connected in the future regardless. There will be videos, of course, out on the Wild Wild West Casino as well as Caesars in the future. Down these escalators is the Wild Wild West Casino Sportsbook, and it is huge. It kind of compares to Circa, only there's no stadium seating here. But it is huge, and it's brand new, and again, this is all going to remain part of Caesars, but all this is in another video coming out soon. These, I believe, are the longest escalators in Atlantic City. Ocean Resorts has very long escalators, but there's a set of 3 that brings you up to the 11th floor lobby. This is just one long escalator, and I'm pretty sure it's the longest, and it's actually quite frightening, so make sure you hold on tight. Once you make it up those escalators, upstairs looks kind of the same, at least this area does, the business area. This looks like more or less a conference area, although it has a baby grand piano in the middle of it, so it makes for a nice business conference. But some of the restaurants up here are changing as well. Guy Fieri's Chop House is still here, it's open, and I have a feeling it's going to be around for a little while. Water Dog is going where Boca de Beppo used to be here at Bally's. Water Dog is a smokehouse slash delicatessen kind of place. Artisanal bagels, smoked sandwiches, and things like that. Looking forward to that opening up. And down the hallway here was a restaurant that's been empty for years, but now it just opened up as Jerry Longo's Meatballs and Martinis. This is their 4th location. It's a new concept, meatballs and martinis. That's what they serve. So be interesting to see how they do here as well. And yes, they do serve other Italian dishes, not just meatballs. And as we head back downstairs, you can see they're sinking a lot of money into casino machines here. A lot of money into the casino in general between the new sports book, the new high slots limit area, lots of new machines, lots of new tables down here in the casino, and the restaurants upstairs as well are changing. So yeah, they're spending a lot of money. Let's see if any of those bucks end up in the hotel rooms where it's much needed here at Bally's. And that's it for Bally's today. I'll be back in a couple weeks to see if any other new changes are coming around. What'd you think? Leave some comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.